What's up everybody, it's the one and only Shelethia Tre'nae, and welcome back to my channel. Now you guys may be thinking your girl looks a little bit different today, and that is because I am rocking my bald head scallywag because I was about to get ready to put on a wig. Now this is not just any type of wig, this is a affordable wig, meaning I got this wig from Amazon Prime. This will be my very first time trying out an Amazon Prime wig. I have seen it do wonders for people. Of course, you look at your reviews and see which one is best. I found one that I like, had really good reviews. I've seen it on a person before in pictures, and I wanted to try it out myself and test out the hype. So you guys are going to see me try on this wig today, and we're gonna see if this is a good wig today, and we're gonna get into this video right now. So I got my Got to Be Glued freeze spray and the Got to Be ultra glued glue, my blow dryer, which I have to go get, be right back with blow dryer. All right, got the blow dryer, and of course the wig. So this is the wig straight out of the Amazon package that I just showed you guys, and it says fashion on it. Fashion. Okay, all the details for this wig will be listed down below in the description box. It comes it comes with a wig cap, 2 pairs of lashes. Here's one pair, and then here's the other pair. Pretty. And of course the wig. So here's the wig. It comes in this really long plastic bag, and I got mine in an 18-inch. So this is 18-inch Brazilian wave. I'm sorry, 18-inch Brazilian body wave. And so here's the wig. Really pretty already. It smells good. It doesn't have a bad smell to it, because you guys know most extensions, wigs, and weaves, when they come shipped, they have such a bad smell sometimes, or you have to wash it. So right now I'm just taking the net off of it. So it's not a 360 lace, it's just a frontal lace wig. And here is the lace in the front. It has baby hairs, but it is not pre-plucked. Beautiful curls. In the light, I do see a lot of those little light brown tan strands where you can tell that this hair isn't fully human hair. So I can see that right off the bat. But it is very soft. It doesn't look like it tingles or sheds, but you know, you can't really tell until you wet it, so we'll see later. But yeah, I like it. It has clips throughout the inside, and then it also has little straps to secure it better in the back. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and try to install this wig and see what it looks like on, so that you guys can stop looking at me looking like this. Okay, here we go. as much as I can. I'm still fairly new at this, so I'm not cutting off all of this hair. So yeah, I did what I could and I got pretty close, but you guys are still gonna see the lace a little bit, like what little bit I didn't cut, because it's not the same complexion as me. So once I put my foundation on it and everything, it'll be fine. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and apply it.
So, change of plans. When I applied the wig, I ended up not liking 1, how flat it was, and 2, the length of the wig. So I opted to taking it off and styling it to my liking. I ended up straightening the wig initially because I knew I wanted to cut it, so that is what you see me doing here. So look at this, guys. I'm not finished with styling this wig yet, but since I am doing a review, I figured I'd show you guys what I'm noticing here. So I just finished straightening the wig and this is what it looks like. Overall, it's straightened pretty good, but I'm noticing some thinning out going towards the ends there. And I do want to point out that this is a body wave texture, so I also noticed that some of the curls were a little bit harder to get out than others. You faintly see the curls here even after going over them multiple times with the flat iron. I am curling this wig in a few moments, so it didn't really bother me that much, but overall it did straighten pretty well. So now I'm just going to grab my tweezers and begin tweaking the part a bit more. I want this wig to look as natural as possible, so getting that part perfect is an absolute must. And to get it to stay put, I'm using the Motion Styling Lotion followed by a curling wand for the heat to apply that extra hold.
Jeezy Dassa, 1998 vibes. Big by money, okay, no soft work. I know the piece inside the hustle. I know the live, I go the hustle. I done the right and right, so now go buy the cars, so now go get the bus to come bust you. I know they leave the chance, I got to use the chance, I got to get the chance to come chance you. I go there give you, yeah, I go there give you, yeah, I go there give you plenty, plenty. Like me, you give you dirty, dirty. Me no go never please and tell you. This every feet, pelu, pelu. I no go lie, you never meet me, gon' go. You never meet me, I no go lie, you never meet me, gon' go. You never meet me, I don't pass plenty, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't see plenty, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't do many, I don't do plenty, I don't see plenty, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't pass plenty, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't see plenty, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't do many, I don't do plenty, I don't see plenty, yeah, yeah, yeah. This life it pass, the body be rubber, oh the body be this life it pass, the body be rubber, oh the body be this life it pass, the body be rubber, oh the body be this life it pass, the body be rubber, oh the body be rubber. Only work what is it, ni baby? What you want I give you, ni baby. Money gone I give you, ni baby. Peace I you give me, ni baby. So down you got to let me hustle. Many pluses, I know they fumble. No time, baby, time now money. No time for ya sugar bunny. This life too sour. I wanna free me, I wanna live my life. This life too sour. I wanna free me, I wanna live my life. I know go lie, you never meet me, gone. You never meet me.